Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm changing the oil on my Hustler Raptor. Uh, this is a residential mower, but I'm using it for my business. So I am doing the first service. Uh, I got everything for the mower, so I'm gonna be replacing the oil. I already drained the oil, so I'm just gonna change the filter and pour the oil. Alright, I already got the filter off, so I just gotta clean right there and put the new filter on and oil, and that'll be it. I got 54 hours on it and it's still running good. Alright, I got the new filter on, so now it's time to put the oil. And I'm gonna be using a funnel, homemade funnel from a Pepsi bottle. So okay, let's do it. Alright amigos, mower is ready to go, so let's go ahead and cut some grass.